Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of interval exercises. And for this video we will be doing descending intervals. Just follow along and you should do just fine. So normally we're counting up, but this time we're counting down. So it's best that I illustrate with an example here. So for example, again we have a starting note, in this case a D, alright? So instead of going up a perfect fifth, we're trying to find a note that's a perfect fifth below this one. Alright, so first of all, again, grab quantity first. So you go down a fifth first. Don't have to worry about the quality first, the quality at the beginning. So what note would that be? So that should be a G, right? So you just check it, G, A, B, C, D, that's a fifth, okay? So, and then the question is whether that's a perfect fifth. And the answer is yes, because from our, knowledge base, we just know what G to D would be a perfect fifth, okay? It's not one of the special situation, okay? So we should be good here. So that one's simple. Okay, let's move on to this one. Okay, we need a minor 7. So first of all, it's an F sharp. You go down a minor 7, so so that should be a you need a G first. So first of all, you verify that it's actually a 7th. Okay, so G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so it's a 7th, definitely a 7th. Okay, and you want to make this interval. You want to make this interval a minor 7th. So you need to start counting from here again. So G. What's the minus 7th G? Okay, so if you know the formula as well, that should be F, right? Okay. So, but here you have an F sharp. It means that the distance here is too big. All right, it's too big. Okay. So if it's too big, probably I would need to raise this note so that I would have a minus 7th interval here. All right. See? Let's do another one. I'm sure you'll get it. Okay. So let's count down. Okay. See, we have a C note here. So a fourth down. So that should be G. Okay. So this is our starting note. This is the note that we are trying to locate. Okay. So okay. What's the interval here? G to C. It's a perfect fourth, right? It's a perfect fourth, right? What we are looking for is an augmented fourth. So this one, it's too small. We are not altering this one since this is a given now. So we are altering this one. We have to alter this one so that this interval would become larger. Hence, we should flatten the bottom note. All right? I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so minor 2nd. Grab the 2nd below first, okay? And right now we have an F note, we have an E, and it seems the E to F, they are naturally already a minor 2nd apart, so we should be good there. Okay. Perfect 8th. Okay, that should be easy. So it's a B flat. Just put down a B flat here. Okay. A minor 3rd. Minor 3rd. So we have an A note. Go down a 3rd first, okay? Then check the interval, okay? So F, G, A, F, G, A. So right now, the current state is F, G, A is actually a major 3rd right now, which is too big. Alter this one so that the interval here is smaller. So I raise that. All right. So let me go back to the example here, the minus 7 example here. I'll write it down here, over here one more time. So F sharp. Okay, so again, let me do that one again. Let me explain that a little bit better. So we have an F sharp. Let's go down a 7 first. So that should be a G note. G to F sharp is actually a major 7th right now. But what we want here is a -7. So the interval here is too big. So you would want to shorten this distance, and we are not altering this one. So the only choice we have is to raise this one. All right. So I think that's a better explanation. Okay. So let's come back here. We have a C. So we'll go down third first. So A, B, C. So A to C. Let's check the interval here. It's a -3rd, right? It's too small. So you have to flatten this one to make it big. All right. So let's do a few more. Let's do the second row for this video, okay? I don't want to make the videos too long. So we have a C. Now go down to 5th. That should be F. So F, G, A, B, C. That should be a 5th already. We have a B. Note. We go down a 3rd. That's G. G, A, B. Check the interval here. That's already a major 3rd, so we should be good. Okay, F sharp. Go down a 4th. So that should be a C. C to F sharp is already an augmented 4th, so we should be good there. B flat. Go down a minor 3rd. So let's go to G. The G to B flat. Great, that's already a minor 3rd. Okay. F, going down to E. So the interval here is too small, right? It's only half step apart. We want a major second, so you have to flatten this one. E flat. So for some reason I have a F sharp here again, so it's fine. So F sharp, going down a 4th. So C, D, E, F is an augmented 4th. We want a perfect 4th, so this one's too large. We need to raise this one to shorten the distance here. Okay, let's do one more for this video. Okay, we have a B note. So if you go down a 6th, that should be a okay, let's see what that is. That's 3rd, 5th, 6th, that should be a D. Okay. So let's check a D, E, F, G, A, B. So D to B, what's the interval between D to B? Major 6, right? Because a D, D, F, G, A to B would be a whole step. D to A would be a perfect 5th. So B is actually a major 6 of D. We want a minor 6. This one's too big. So you have to raise the D to D sharp. Okay. So that's the first part of part 3, I guess. So I'll see you in the next video. Where we'll work on the bass clef exercises. Okay. Okay. See you in a minute.